Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I show you tips and tricks on how to make money online legally. And on that note, today I'm going to be showing you how you can write a copyright free book to publish on Amazon KDP using ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So you need to come to your browser and search for chat.openai.com. Create an account with them and then log in. Once you log in, okay, let's take for example we are writing a book on good husband. Let's say the title of the book is How to Be a Good Husband, right? So let me write it here. How to be a husband. Let's say our title is How to Be a Good Husband. So all you need to do is, once you come to your browser and log in, so once you're in your ChatGPT, you now give it a command on what to write for you. Then let's start with the table of contents of our book. So we are going to ask it to generate a table of content for us now. Okay, so we said in chapters, write the content of my book titled How to Be a Good Husband. So let's see what it's going to generate for us. You click on enter. So let's give it time to load. As you can see, it has started writing. So you can see it's writing a very good table of content for us. So while it's writing, I would like to remind you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified by YouTube when I drop amazing videos like this one. Thank you. So as you can see, it's generating table of content for us on how to be a good husband in chapters. So let's wait for it to finish loading. Let's wait for it to finish generating the content for us. Wow, okay, as you can see, it has finished generating content for us, and let's see what it generated. Wow, this is very beautiful. As you can see, it has generated content for us from chapter 1 to chapter 10, and if you want to write a book on this content, you are going to write about 150 pages or more with this content. And if this one is not good enough for you, you can also just click on regenerate and it's going to regenerate another new fresh table of content for you. But let's say we are going with this one right now. So all you need to do is copy it. You copy the whole content it generated. Once you copy it, then you come to your notepad. First, let's open our notepad, and I'm going to show you why I say you should come to your notepad first. You paste it on your notepad. Okay, then you highlight it and copy it from your notepad before coming to your document, before coming back here and pasting it. Okay, so the reason why I say you should paste it on your notepad first before copying is that, let me show you. Let me go there and copy it without pasting it on my notepad. Okay, so now I have copied it without pasting it in my notepad, so I'm coming here to paste it. As you can see, can you see the way it pasted it for me? So, as you can see the way it pasted it for me. It's not well formatted, good for editing like this. So that's why you need to paste it on your notepad first, then copy it from the notepad and bring it here. Okay, so now that we have our chapters, what you need to do first is your next step is come here, copy definition of a good husband. You copy it and you come back to your ChatGPT and tell it to write on the, then you paste, write on the definition of a good husband. Then you just click on your enter. As you can see, it's writing on definition of a good husband for you. That's the beginning of your book. As you can see, it has written on definition of a good husband. And if you need more, you want it to be more, you can just tell it to write more. Just come here and say write more. Write more. Then it's going to write more for you. You see, it's generating more content for you. You can either tell it to write more or tell it to continue. It's going to write more for you. And if the answer is not well written for you, you can just tell it to regenerate. You just, this place, when it's done, this place will turn to regenerate answer, and then regenerate response, and it's going to, as you can see, regenerate response. So if this one is not good enough for me, I will just click on regenerate response, and it's going to clean this one and it's writing another one. As you can see, it's writing another one for me. Since I told it to regenerate, the other one was not good enough for me. So if you want to compare this one that it's regenerated from the first one that it did, before we ask it to regenerate, it's right here. As you can see, this is the first one that it wrote for us. So all you need to do is click here. Once you read it and then you read the second one it regenerated, and see which one is good enough for you. And you can also ask it to regenerate again, the third one, till you see the one that is good enough for you. But let's say I'm just going to use this first paragraph that is road. So all I need to do is copy it. What I need to do is copy it. Then always remember, come to your notepad and paste it first. See, before coming to your document. So now that it has written definition on a good husband, all I need to do is paste what it wrote for me here. As you can see. So I move on to the next one, importance of being a good husband. Once you copy it, you come back to your ChatGPT and tell it to write on the, then you paste it. As you can see, write on the importance of a good husband. Then you click on enter, or you click this button right here. It's going to start generating answer for you. As you can see, it's generating answer for me. So it's as easy as that. And when it's done generating answer, all you need to do is just do it for the rest. It won't take you more than 30 minutes and you'll be done. As long as your network, you're having a very good network connection, you're going to be done in less than 30 minutes. So once it's finished generating your content for you, all you need to do is first take it to Grammarly to check your grammars, and then go and check your plagiarism. I usually use duplicate checker. As you can see, I usually use duplicate checker for my plagiarism check. It's a free app you can use for your plagiarism check. I'm going to leave a link for you below for this duplicate checker. All you need to do is paste your content right here. Once you paste your content, you come here and click on check plagiarism, and it's going to check plagiarism for you. So all you need to do is come to Grammarly, check your grammar, then take it to duplicate checker and check your plagiarism. Then start your book formatting. I'm going to drop a video on how to do a book formatting on the channel, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss it. You don't miss the video on how to do a proper book formatting. If you want your book to look professional, then make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on it. And finally, if you want to generate content using ChatGPT on your mobile phone, then check this video that I did about how you can generate content using ChatGPT on your mobile phone. Thank you guys. See you on my next video.